Welcome back to Loader Parts Source. Again, I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be replacing the fast attach lever kit on this Bobcat T300. Our lever's bent. The pin and everything seems to be okay, but we're just going to replace the whole kit. We do offer the pieces all in this separately, but for the sake of the video, this one's getting the whole kit. These take a lot of abuse from debris, rocks, trees, whatever's falling on them as we're moving material. It's a good thing to keep an eye on them. If they do become worn, they're not going to hold your attachments on as well as they should. So we're going to get right to it and show you how to do it with the bucket on. This machine here is equipped with quick attach, which is hydraulically driven. You don't even have to get out of the machine to change attachments. Our kits are for use with the quick attach, or if it's just manual, the kit's universal. Let me grab my wrench here and we'll get started. Now we will have to remove this cylinder first. Basically on this machine, I'm using a 9/16 socket, and that's about all you need. We can just slide this cylinder right off of out of the way. Next we're going to be taking the lever off. It's got a spring behind it. The lever just slides up out of the way. On this one, you can just pull it straight up. You will have to turn it because it sits into a notch. There's a roll pin that kind of gets hung up if you don't. Slide it on out of there, and there you have it. Pretty easy. I'm going to grab our new one. And as you can see here, this has got quite a bit of wear on it. A lot of metal's been rubbed off there. Our new one got a real straight cut on it. It's going to hold that bucket a lot tighter for us. I'm going to set this aside. Now this kit does come disassembled. I went ahead and put the roll pin in, put this bolt in with the spring just to speed up the video. So let's go back together with it now. This new one's going to fit a lot tighter, it looks like. There we go. Turn it back into our notch here. There. Slides right back in like that. We do offer a new bolt with our kit. I'm not going to replace this one today. There's our new lever. New spring. This new washer and nut here. all that's left is to put our cylinder back on. There you have it. Took just a few minutes. We have a good lever on there now. Don't have to worry about our bucket coming off. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel. We'll have more tips and more videos to come. Thank you.